Welcome back, explorers. Today we are headed to the Ice Age. This is an American mastodon. This elephant is huge, much bigger than the elephant that you would see at the zoo. Mastodons use their long tusks to move branches and dig for tasty plants to eat. The woolly rhino was covered in a thick woolen fur. This would help protect it from the icy weather. It had a strong horn that would also help it dig for food through the ice and snow. This is the saber-toothed tiger. This fierce cat had massive front canine teeth. They could grow up to 12 inches long. They helped them catch and hold on to their prey. Macrauchenia. The Macrauchenia is such an interesting looking animal with a tiny trunk-like nose. They used it to grab leaves and help them find food. The woolly mammoth. The woolly mammoth also had a very thick coat of fur to help protect it against the icy weather. Those massive tusks could grow up to 12 feet long. That's taller than two adults standing on top of one another. The Doedicurus. The Doedicurus was covered in a massive armored shell. It was like a little tank, and it had a spiked tail at the end to swing to scare predators and protect itself. All right, explorers, we are headed to the jungle to meet some amazing animals. First up, we have the platypus. The platypus is a mammal. It lives near streams. A platypus is one of the only mammals that lays eggs instead of having live babies. A chameleon. Watch, it changes color. Chameleons can move each eye in one different direction at the same time. They can also change color to communicate and help control their body temperature, not just to hide. Orangutan. Orangutans build a new nest in trees almost every night to sleep in. They love to eat fruit, but they also enjoy leaves, bark, and insects as well. The tiger. Tigers are excellent swimmers and love cooling off in rivers and lakes. They use their sharp hearing and excellent eyesight to help them hunt. Albino Burmese python. The Burmese python are not venomous snakes. They wrap around their food instead of using venom. They are what are called constrictors. Tapir. The tapir also has a short little trunk-like nose, just like the Macrauchenia. A tapir's nose works like a tiny little trunk. It helps them find food. They love the water and can even walk along the bottom of rivers to find plants to eat. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are one of our closest animal relatives and have hands and thumbs just like we do. Chimpanzees, just like the orangutans, build a new nest in the trees almost every night using branches and leaves. A wild boar. Wild boars have sharp tusks that help them dig for food and help protect themselves. Baby wild boars are born with brown and cream stripes. This helps them hide and camouflage in the forest. The hippopotamus. Hippopotamus love spending time together in rivers and lakes. A group of hippos is called a bloat. Hippos can open their mouth up to 4 feet wide. That's wider than a doorway. The jaguar. Jaguars love water. They're excellent swimmers and they can even hunt for food in rivers and streams, like a caiman. Every jaguar has a unique pattern of spots, just like your fingerprints are unique. Well, explorers, thank you so much for joining us in the Ice Age as we learned about the saber-toothed tiger, the woolly mammoth, the Macrauchenia, and then we headed to the jungle and we learned all about some amazing animals there as well, like the color-changing chameleon, the constrictor Burmese python, the tapir that looks like the Macrauchenia, orangutans, chimpanzees, and even the cool platypus. Please join us next time, but until then, keep learning, exploring, and protecting our wildlife. Bye!